Welcome to my new video. I'm Lex Sullivan and today we are in Planet Crafter. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and let's get right into it. So I got my first butterfly larva, and the way I made it was in this, and I realized by myself that you don't make these by clicking on these, but in here, the recipe you put in here. So bee larva is mutagen and fertilizer, and let's make one. Okay, and mutagen and fertilizer, and yes, it is making. Today I would like to destroy some of the boulders that are in the way. Plus I'd like plus also I'm pretty good with pressure. That's pretty good. With heat, I guess quite close. And after the last video I got a teleporter. I finally got a teleporter, so that's good, but I probably won't use it right now. Now I want to make things that I didn't make it. So first this one, the tier 3 torch I refers to. So one purple, one blazer and 2 solar quartzes. This and this. Yeah, that is brighter. Yeah, it's just quicker. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Microchip construction menu footer has lower tiers of items from the construction menu. I guess that is tier 3 blueprint pinning algebra 2. Is there anything in here interesting? Oh yeah, I should make this. Okay, so 2 magnesium, 2 silicon, 1 iron, 1 cobalt, and 1 aluminum. Oh, and 1 titanium. Then I need specific quartzes, 2 blazer, 2 solar, 1 magnetar, 1 circuit board, and 1 green. So make the super alloy. Now make this, and make this. Okay, and warden key detector. Oh yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't know actually how it works right now, but I guess I'll probably learn. Just grab all of these and eat up. And now the first place I want to explore is where the warden key I can put. And if I look at the map, it's this way. It's west of my base. In the next video I'll have a new storage system for my base, so you can expect that. Uh, but I'll see you when I get to the altar. Okay, I'm here at the altar. As you can see, it's quite on the side of the map. But let's put in the key. Oh, I need 3 for this. Let's get my car and let's roll in. That's big. But this button has 2 textures. One is moving and one isn't. Hey, I can see it moving in the ground. Okay, so this is quite slow. Oh, it's one part is finally. Can I go in with my car? It seems like I can. Okay. Okay. Now I'll stop here. I won't go farther. So let's explore. Find the ancient paradise. Ooh. This has to be really important when I get an achievement for being here. It is an interesting place. What are those air currents, or what the hell are those? Oh, Vorensky. Yes, and I feel like that's... what the hell is that? I want to know. Serena butterfly. What? Insect multiplier 1200. This is literally 10 times more than my only one right now. I'm glad I didn't overlook that. Is there anything else on this side? Doesn't seem like it. And I haven't fought any chests yet. So let's go to this side and let's explore it from the left to the right. So up these provisional stairs, and is anything up here? There should be, because anything here? What? No. Oh, I almost fell. This way. Anything here? Doesn't seem like it. I want to find chests and get stuff from them. Anything here? Anything on this? Oh, it doesn't. No, it does not. Really? So more up, and there's another golden skin. Is there anything else here? No, I guess. So, is there any other way to get up? No, it doesn't feel like it. There's... what do I... oh, what's the water wheel right here? First I want to explore this whole section. Nothing here. Why are there no chests or loot? Just Warden's key. I already found my 4th one. I know they are important, but I still want other things. What should I hear right now is is my cat in the background crazying out. But is there anything, like, is there any loot in this whole place except the warden's key? There's no. Oh, another warden's key. At least I didn't miss this one. I felt like there's not going to be 4. That's probably going to be all for the warden's keys. I don't know. I guess I'll go back and I'll see when I get back in. But before I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to find and destroy all the rocks that can be blown up with explosives, because I can make explosives, because I can make those now, and pretty easily. So I'll see you when I get back. So I'm back right now. Let's put in the Serena butterfly larva. It looks good. It literally looks like the galaxy. So explosives. That's explosive powder, which is sulfur and iridium. Okay. High quality food, honey and beans. I don't have any honey. And I guess that matters not. Reveal how explore the world to reveal Warden's hidden structures. I'm quite confused about what this actually does or how it works. So let's put back the Warden's keys. I'll put them into storage. Attention belongs here. Powders belong here. Osmium in here. No, I don't want to drop it. Rocket engine here. And then the rods. Okay, I'll put this one in overflow. So let's make at least a few. Let's make at least a few explosives. So it's 2 so far. So let's make at least like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then 4 circuit boards. Oh no, this work. I need to okay, this should be actually 3. Oh shit. ML butterfly larva. Okay, so fertilizer, more. Okay, so explosives, and 3. That's enough, I think, for now, for today. So let's put in the last circuit board, and let's blow up some barricades. So the first one I want to blow up is for this lava cave, and it's right here next to my base. As you can see, those red flowers right below it. Oh, a chest. Water. And I can also now make the trade space rocket. I'm not sure if I will make it yet, but I have the recipe. So I can go in with my vehicle, but I can go in like this. So if I just go in, oh, I'm on the wrong side. Oh, another larva. Another. I didn't see the echo already. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. Okay. So right click to use. Oh, trigger. Okay. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, that wasn't that big for an explosion, so it's okay. So let's go as far in as we can, and I wonder if this is actually lava. Super alloy. I don't have any right now. I need to make them from aluminum and the other basic resources. So let's just grab some. A lot. Let's grab a lot. And now let's go into this spaceship. Okay, so what's in here? So let's deconstruct and bacteria sample, yes, okay. Another blueprint microchip and osmium, I'll take that. Let's eat the eggplant and drink some water. Another one here. This one. Let's get rid of the osmium because I can get it quite easily. I don't need more rods, so let's not take those. Put these back. No, I don't need a fertilizer actually. I don't need that. The tier 3 here, I don't need that, so let's take the rocket engines. Let's deconstruct this and this and also this. Oh, new type of spacesuit. I'll put in it. Oh, I can put it up. Robero 3 seed. I need that. Okay, so I found an amazing 3 seed, which is very nice. Now let's look through the rest of the cave. I see a chest right here. Super alloy. It doesn't seem like there's much left in this cave, but maybe like this way. There's not like much. Or rocket engine, super alloy. Operators. This is just, yeah, this is just to get outside the other way. I'll destroy this entrance too. Yes, you can now get outside from this side too. So another chest right here, another 3 seed. I guess I'll probably leave and the super alloy circuit engines and other stuff I'll take back with me off off screen because that's not like very interesting. No one cares about that. Oh, there's another part. Now let's get back to my vehicle and blow up another different barricade, and one that's close to here, like pretty much next to, if I remember right. So put this wood. Okay. Now, if I go along this wall, there should be. Can I go in here? No. Okay. I was just testing. Yes, right here. Okay. So use the explosive, trigger it, and run. Boom. Okay. I need to. Okay. I'll leave that for the next video. And in the next video, we'll just explore all the other different barricades that are in this world. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to